First, we import the image component from the Next.js package, which is key to enabling optimized images in a Next.js application. Here we define a functional component called myImageComponent, which will return our image component wrapped in a div. We're about to use the Next.js image component. This is a built-in component designed for image optimization. The src property is mandatory and it specifies the path or URL to the image you want to display. The alt attribute is also very important for accessibility, providing a text description of the image. We specify the width property, which defines the width of the image in pixels. Note that Next.js will maintain the aspect ratio based on the original image if only one dimension is provided. The height property is set to the desired image height in pixels. With a responsive layout, the image will scale based on the width of the parent element, making it adapt to different screen sizes. Setting the priority prompt tells Next.js to preload this image on the initial page load, which can improve the perceived performance for above-the-fold images. The placeholder attribute set to blur will display a blurred version of the image while it's loading, providing a pleasant loading experience. The blur data URL provides the base 64 encoded image to show as the temporary placeholder until the main image is fully loaded. Finally, we close the image component and the div wrapper, then end the function. This functional component is ready to be used in your Next.js application, and it will automatically optimize the loading of images with various built-in features like lazy loading and modern format serving.